Hey everybody, it's Mike Portnoy here.
Hey everybody, I'm Jordan Rudess, and this is
Dream Theater's The Dance of Eternity.
Over the past 2 years, both Mike Portnoy and Jordan Rudess from Dream Theater have visited our Musora studios, and they film videos for the Drumeo and Pianote channels. And yes, we film all those videos under the same roof. And as you may have seen, both of them film videos on the song The Dance of Eternity.
I mean, this song has so many twists and turns, and it's constantly going through all these different things.
You kind of get the feeling like you're skiing downhill, but you don't know how to stop, and you're like, oh my God!
And this year's the 25th anniversary of the Metropolis album, and we figured we'd put together a mashup of both Mike and Jordan performing this prog masterpiece right here in the studio. So here it is, The Dance of Eternity, performed by Mike Portnoy and Jordan Rudess of Dream Theater.
It's time to put on your dancing shoes.
Let's do it.
Well, after watching that performance, there's no question why The Dance of Eternity is considered one of the most challenging and difficult songs ever recorded. And what you just saw might seem impossible, but learning music doesn't have to be. Here at Musora, that's what we're all about. There's over 100,000 students who are learning music, improving their skills, and supporting each other along the way. If you love Dream Theater, we have lessons and courses that will help you start diving into this world of playing. For the drummers out there, we'll teach you how to understand odd time signatures, how to play double bass, and how to develop limb independence. And if you're a piano player, we'll teach you how to develop finger independence, speed, and other styles of music that you heard throughout The Dance of Eternity. Whether you're a singer, guitarist, drummer, or pianist, we'd love to have you as part of our Musora community, and there's a link for you to try it out for free down in the description. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.